In 2026, some people get paid every day. Not because they worked that day, because they built something that works for them. That's not luck. That's not a secret. It's a system. And in the next 10 minutes, you're going to see exactly what those systems look like. Most people trade time for money. Stop working. Income stops. Simple as that. Automated systems work differently. You build once, it runs. You step away. Money still moves. That's the shift. Not working harder, not working smarter. Building something that doesn't need you every day. Here are 15 of those things. 1. YouTube automation channel. You build a channel. Scripts, voiceovers, editing, all handled without you on camera. It earns through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Truth takes 3 to 6 months before a single dollar comes in. Not fast, but it compounds. OneScoreSoar, AI content generation system. You build a pipeline. AI produces the content. You sell it to businesses or use it to drive traffic to your own offers. In 2026, content demand is endless. The bottleneck is gone. The edge goes to whoever builds the cleanest workflow. Truth, without a distribution strategy, the content goes nowhere. 3. Print-on-demand store. You design. A supplier prints and ships, you keep the margin, no inventory, no warehouse, just designs and a niche audience willing to buy. Truth, most stores fail because the niche was wrong, not the design. Now pause. 3 in, and already the pattern is clear. These aren't magic, they're infrastructure. Keep going. 4. Affiliate marketing website. You build a content site. You recommend products. Someone buys. You earn a commission. No product to create, no customer to manage. Truth, this takes 6 to 12 months before traffic is meaningful. Most people quit at month 3. One problem, one solution, one audience. Monthly subscription. No-code tools and AI development have made this buildable without a technical background. Truth, the tool has to solve a real problem, not one you assumed existed. 6. Crypto staking system. You hold cryptocurrency on a proof-of-stake network. The network pays you yield for participating. No trading, no daily decisions. The system runs. Truth, this requires capital, real asset knowledge, and honest awareness of the risk involved. Here's something worth saying out loud. Every system on this list can fail. The ones that survive are built by people who understood the entry barrier before they started, not after. 7. Digital course funnel. You package knowledge into a course. An automated funnel handles the traffic, the sale, the delivery. You build it once. It sells on its own. Truth, weak content generates refunds, not revenue. The course has to deliver something specific and real. 8. Email marketing automation. You build a list. You connect it to a pre-written sequence. Every new subscriber moves through it automatically, getting educated, building trust, seeing offers. Truth, this machine needs fuel. Without a traffic source feeding the list, there's nothing to automate. 9. Drop shipping system. You run the store. A supplier handles inventory and shipping. You keep the margin after ad costs. Supplier networks are more reliable now. Product research tools are better. Truth, margins are thin. This lives and dies on ad performance. Most people underestimate that. 9 down, 6 to go. And here's what you should be noticing. None of these are passive on day 1. Every machine has a build phase. What makes them powerful is what happens after that phase ends. 10. Ad revenue website. A content site that earns from display ads. Traffic comes in. Ads serve. Revenue generates, no product, no selling. Truth, you need consistent monthly traffic before the income is meaningful. That means content and SEO consistently for months. 11. Stock auto invest system. Automatic recurring contributions into index funds or dividend assets. Dividends pay out. Value compounds over time. The system removes the temptation to interfere, which is where most investors lose money. Truth, the barrier isn't technical. It's having capital and the discipline to leave it alone. 12. Rental income system. Property rented to tenants. Managed through a property manager or platform. Monthly income. Reduced hands-on involvement. Truth, this has the highest entry barrier on this list. It requires real capital, real due diligence, and a setup phase that is not passive at all. 3 left. These last 3 are technical, higher barrier, higher ceiling. Pay attention. 13. API-based service. A software service that performs a specific function, automation, data processing, content generation, accessed by developers and businesses via API. Usage-based pricing. Every call earns. The service runs without you. Truth. This requires genuine technical skill or a strong development partner. Don't start here unless you have one. 14. Mobile app with ads or subscriptions. An app earns through ad impressions on the free tier or subscriptions on the paid tier, often both. Global distribution from day one through app stores. Truth. The market is crowded. A generic app earns nothing. A specific app solving an underserved problem can earn consistently. 15. Data and lead generation system. You collect, verify, and sell targeted leads to businesses in specific industries. Sales pipelines are always hungry. Well-verified, high-intent leads command reliable prices. Truth, data compliance laws are strict and vary by region. This system built without understanding those laws is a liability, not an asset. Stop. You just heard 15 systems. Here's the truth most people ignore. 90% of people watching this will not build a single one. They'll move to the next video, the next idea, the next list. And a year from now, nothing will have changed. That's not a knowledge problem. You have the knowledge right now. It's a decision problem. Picking one and building it badly is still worth more than knowing all 15 perfectly. Now here's where it gets interesting. None of these machines are meant to work alone forever. The real move is stacking them. An affiliate site earns and builds traffic. That traffic feeds a course funnel. The funnel builds an email list. That list promotes a SaaS tool. The tool's revenue flows into auto investments. Each system feeds the next. One slow month and one machine doesn't collapse everything, because 3 others are still running. That's not theory. That's just what durable income structures look like when you zoom out far enough to see them. It starts with one. You don't need 15 machines. You need one that works. Build it until it runs without your daily input. Then, and only then, build the next one. Because here's what happens if you don't. You'll keep trading time for money. Every day. For as long as you work. The systems on this list exist. Other people are running them right now. The only real question is whether you'll be one of those people, or whether you'll watch another video about it instead. Start building.